How to use Walmart Savings Catcher. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Walmart's Savings Catcher. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The process of using Savings Catcher at Walmart is really simple. After making your normal purchase in store, you can then visit the Savings Catcher website. Go ahead and enter your receipt number located on the bottom of your receipt and wait for an email from Walmart notifying you on whether or not lower prices were found from competitors in your area. Make sure you enter your receipt within 7 days of your purchase, otherwise your receipt won't be valid. To scan your receipts online with Walmart Savings Catcher, visit the Walmart Savings Catcher website. Log into your account or sign up if you don't already have an account. Now go ahead and enter the TC number from your receipt. You'll also have to enter your date of purchase. Now, Savings Catcher sends you the savings results by email within 72 hours. Once you have scanned your receipt or have entered your receipt details, Savings Catcher finds and reviews ads from close retailers. It looks for ads that match eligible items on your receipt. So, this is how you can use Walmart Savings Catcher. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.